It's very unbecoming of a senator judge in an impeachment trial to say that the impeachment complaint and the trial is a witch hunt. Hindi dapat nanggagaling yon sa isang senator judge who are expected to receive the evidence with impartiality and to treat the impeachment as a constitutional process. Sana hindi na maulit yon. We should limit what we say to the public, especially how we prejudge the impeachment as well as the coming evidence during the trial.
Pero
Against the Vice President.
Hindi maiwasan na ma-interpret ang sinasabi nila as telegraphing a dismissal early on before the trial will start.
Sir, do you think it's unfair? Kasi ngayon na hindi pa nalalatag yung ebidensya pero sasabihin witch hunt.
Remember that the impeachment is a political process. It is an act not only by the members of Congress, but representatives of Filipinos who were delegated by the people to initiate impeachment proceedings. So galing ito sa tao na bumoto sa more than 215 members of Congress who represented Filipinos. Kaya hindi ito witch hunt. Pakinggan muna natin yung ebidensya bago tayo magsalita. Even as a prosecutor, I did not prejudge a conviction or an acquittal. All we're saying is that may ebidensya dito. At naniniwala ang more than 215 members of Congress. At dapat pakinggan nyo before calling it a witch hunt or saying na dapat i-dismiss ito. Because this is a constitutional process which must proceed to find justice, not for the complainants, but for the Filipinos. If it's an acquittal, we should accept it. If it's a conviction, they should accept it, but they should receive the evidence first. It affects the people's perception of how the case will go about and how the trial will proceed. It's telegraphing how they want the case to be decided early on, even before the evidence is presented. I'm so glad that we filed a very good, well-written and authoritative reply para makita kung gaano katatag yung kaso at sana mailatag natin sa publiko. Every Filipino should watch this impeachment, bantayan natin ito. Kasi para ito sa taong bayan,